Hey, man, have you ever looked at a set of golf cart tires and wondered which one's knobby, why they're aggressive for? But I'm going to show you this right here, man. This car here has got the aggressive tire on it, and you can tell. And customers complaining about bouncing. Well, let me start by saying that any golf cart tire, they do not balance them. So it's not like a car where they ride so fast and they're not a radial tire, so they don't balance them. So what I'm gonna do is show you a couple of different options we have and which one's the best for riding. Look at the different treads. You have this tread here, and then you have that tread right here. Now this tread here is aggressive, but it's not as aggressive as this. This here is a kind of a rough ride. This here is a smoother ride. Now, of course, there's nothing like going, and you can see these tires here, Kenda radial tires. You can see there, these are the KTWs. But if you want a smoother ride, you need to go with something like this, which is your car tire. All right. These are your Kendas. You can see there, they call it the Kenda Cruiser. The size are 23, 7.5 by 14. And that's going to be your smoothest ride. But like I said, always remember now, they're going to not be as aggressive as the rest of them, but you can't balance them. Now, also on your golf cart, everybody here, 4 months out of the year, you're allowed to drive on the beach here. Well, people are asking what tire is the best. Always remember, every golf cart except for the E-Z-GO Electric RX-V, which has pause traction, any other golf cart has one wheel limited slip. So whichever wheel has a path of least resistance, that is the one that will slip first. So if you got one tire spinning, your other tire won't spin. All right, man, I've been wanting to do a video on that, man, showing you the different ways how to tell the tread. All tires, they're not too loud, man. You're going to have a little bouncing. You can't get rid of the bouncing in your tire. I get probably 10 sets out of 10, 8 of them will bounce. Nothing you can do about it. All right. The main thing is try to get something that's not too bad, man. All right, stay tuned.